Alright, folks, back again, peeps. Today we have a 57, was it 57? 57% rain combo in the corner with the breakaway crushing blow on the Argus plunge. So let's see if we can get it done first try.
Yeah, but before doing this combo though, a rich kid I did it. You see me? Right now, the man I go show you how to shimmy the opponent, because I don't know people stay online.
Yeah, it's actually the non-competitive move though.
It's called the wave dash.
Wave dash.
We call it the flash dash, but no, that kind of sound corny still. But here we go now. You're going to shimmy the opponent, you see me?
After the stagger.
You see me? And then you're going to show you the combo, you see me? Bossy.
Alright, let's see if we can get it done.
See how much you have to try now, you see me?
We tried to do it practical, so we know this could definitely happen in a real match. Ready now, folks, so.
Yeah.
Oh, sorry. Take two.
Yeah, bossy. Yeah.
Take three. Damn, the amplify button's not coming out.
Brother, we have to reach in a 5 attempts in a dog. I'm tell you, brother.
Woo!
You have 3 guns in there, brother. Yo.
Oh my god, I'm screwing up. I'm screwing up.
You think now?
Alright.
Yeah. Oh yeah.
Oh, it didn't came out. It didn't came out.
Yo, ready again. Forward. Yeah. Oh yeah, do. Oh yeah.
Look at my. Oh shit.
Yeah, press it. Yo, again. I'm not even know how much I can that, brother. Now I lose count.
How? You broke away too early?
Alright, go on again. We must sketch this, you know. So we must sketch this, you know.
Damn.
I let me down, you know. Forward, a rich kid. Yeah. Bossy. Yeah. In there. Look. 57. Yo.
57 12 bits. Killer rain.
You see me? Yo.
Sorry that took so long.
I say make sure you send a like, comment, share, subscribe to the Jamaican Treat. Oh, channel you don't know for more Jamaican content. It never stops.
Look at my mashing. Look at my mashing. Mashing R1. Mashing R1.
Yeah, man, much love in the face. Much love.